Brain training using AI/ML with Python focuses on enhancing cognitive abilities like memory, attention, and problem solving through machine learning algorithms. Here's a brief overview. 1. Objective. Utilize AI/ML to develop personalized brain training exercises. Focus on cognitive areas, memory, focus, reasoning, and mental agility. Adapt difficulty levels based on user performance to ensure optimal cognitive challenge. 2. Approach. Collect data from users performing various cognitive tasks, memory games, puzzles, problem-solving activities. Track user progress, performance metrics, response times, and accuracy. 3. Machine learning techniques. Supervised learning, to predict user performance trends based on historical data. Unsupervised learning, for clustering similar users based on cognitive skills and identifying patterns. Reinforcement learning, adaptive algorithms that modify training tasks based on user improvement. Neural networks, utilize deep learning for complex pattern recognition in cognitive task performance. Natural language processing, NLP, for language-based exercises like verbal fluency and reading comprehension. 4 key Python libraries. TensorFlow/Keras, deep learning frameworks for neural network-based cognitive models. Scikit-learn, traditional ML algorithms for clustering, prediction, and classification. Pandas and NumPy, data processing and analysis. Matplotlib/Seaborn, visualization of user progress and performance trends. NLTK/Spacy, NLP tasks for language-based cognitive exercises. GYM, for creating reinforcement learning environments for adaptive training. 5 Implementation outline. Data collection, design cognitive tasks and collect user data. Model development, create ML models to predict user performance and adapt tasks. Training and testing, train models with historical data, validate predictions, and adapt training sessions. Personalization, tailor exercises based on user strengths and weaknesses. Feedback loop, use user data continuously to improve models. Output indicates the results, which include reports and graphs. This illustrates how the AI/ML model processes data and generates meaningful insights. 5 Domain. Below the brain, the word domain signifies the specific area or field in which the AI/ML model is applied. 6 AI result. The phrase AI result is written in red below the brain, emphasizing the outcome of the AI/ML process. Example graph. Graph title, all customers, historical and forecasted data. Time frame, 2020 to 2026. Y-axis, amount, Y/Y. X-axis, year. The graph uses different colors to represent data points for each year, showing trends over time. Date and signature. Date, October 27, 2024. Signature, Pradeep K. Suri. Brief description. The image details the process of training an AI/ML model using Python, metaphorically represented by a brain. It highlights the division of data, the concept of unseen data, and the output in the form of reports and graphs, with a practical example showing historical and forecasted data for all customers. This provides a clear and structured view of how AI/ML models are trained, tested, and applied to generate insights, ensuring better understanding and application in real-world scenarios. Thank you.